Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI 12X. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and choose Open on both smartphones. Following that, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Receive on XIAOMI and Send on an Android. Now you need to choose No Thank You on an Android, close this window and finally click on all of those dots on your Android and then tap Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take some time, so I will only go with, for example, this photo, tap on Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on XIAOMI, choosing click, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and click on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!